Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the seventh question of database management system. Let's see the question. Here's the question 7. There's a company called Next Computers and here they have given us the database of the company, and in the first question we have to create a database called Next Computer, and in the second question we have to create a table called product. So first let's create this database and the table. For this I'm using the HeidiSQL. First let's create the database. Here's the database, then let's create the table. Table's name is product, so first we have to make the table product. So here's the table, and in this question they have given us instructions. Here are the column names and the data types. So first we have to create these columns in our table. Here I have made the column names. Here ID, here they have given us the ID is int. So I have created the ID's data type as int, then the brand's data type as voucher, and the length is 45. Here they have mentioned it, and the module's data type is voucher and the length is 45, and the quantities data type is int, and the price data type is double. And here we have to make the ID as the primary key, so I'm going to make the ID as primary key. Here I made the ID as primary key, and we have to make the ID auto increment, and I'm going to auto increment. Here I make it as auto increment. It's only then I'm going to save this table. Here's the table, and let's see the next question. The third question, insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. So we have to enter these data to our table, product table. So let's write the queries. First I'm going to insert this row into the table, and I'm going to write a query for that. Here's the query. I have written a insert query because I have to insert this row into the table. So I have written the query as insert into our database Next Computer and the our table product, and these are the columns, brand, model, quantity and price, and the values are HP, then the pavilion, then quantity is 15 and the price is this. And this is the insert query I have written to insert this column into the database. So let's execute this query, and here's the table, and our first row is updated. Then let's update the others also. Here I have written all the queries to insert the those data into my table, my product table. So these are the queries, and I'm going to execute these queries. And here's the product table, and columns have inserted. And then let's move to the next question. The fourth question is we have to write a delete query because here's the owner of the store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand, so he's decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. So here in this question, in the fourth question, we have to write a delete query. Let's see how I write this query. Here's the delete query, and I have written it as and here's my database, and here's the table, and I have written it as brand. I have to delete the Lenovo brand from the brand column. So here's the delete query, and let's execute this. And here's my table. And there are two columns. No, there is one column called Lenovo, and I'm refreshing this. Here you can see the Lenovo brand is deleted. And next, let's see the next question. Here's the fifth one. In here we have to remove the laptop called this Asus brand, and the model is this, and we have to remove this from the database. So in here also we have to write a delete query, and let's see it. Here's the delete query for the fifth question. In here I have said that we have to select the row which is the brand equals Asus and the model equals this M50, and I have written the delete query as this, and I'm going to execute this query. And let's see the table. And you can see the ID equals 2. The ID equals 2 is the responsive column for this query, and it has deleted. So this is how I write the delete query for the fifth question, and our questions are over. So thank you everyone for listening.